How to turn on Battery Power Saver on Android. This tutorial shows you how to enable power saving mode and extend your battery life. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. Scroll down and tap on Battery and Device Care. From there, tap on Battery. At this point, tap on Power Saving to open the power saving options. In the next step, toggle on Power Saving Mode to enable it. Following this, your device will automatically start limiting background activity, reducing brightness, and cutting down on performance to save battery. Once done, if you want more control over what gets limited, tap on Power Saving and explore the options. You can choose to restrict apps, limit CPU speed, or reduce screen brightness individually. From here, if you want the mode to turn on automatically, tap on Power Saving and look for the option to set a battery percentage threshold. This way, power saving will kick in on its own when your battery drops to that level. At this stage, you can also enable maximum power saving from the same menu if you need to stretch your battery as far as possible. Keep in mind, this will limit your device to only essential apps. Finally, once your device is charged up, simply go back to the same settings and toggle off power saving mode to return everything back to normal. And that's it. If this guide helped you turn on power saving mode on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.